Hello 5th standard students, I'm Suman, I'm Suvarna. Shall we continue with maths first lesson? Now coming to the place value chart. There are two different place value charts. First is the Indian place value chart. So in this, the period and the places. So you have learnt, earlier also you have learnt, but now a higher level. So ones, tens, hundreds, they come under ones period. Thousand, 10,000s come under thousands period. Then lakhs, 10 lakhs come under lakhs period. Crores, 10 crores come under crores period. So we have got ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. Now we will see the relation between the different places. So now 10 ones is equal to 1 10. 10 tens is equal to 100. 10 hundreds is equal to 1000. 10 thousands is equal to 1 10,000. 10 thousands is equal to 1 lakh. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 10 lakh. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 crore. And 10 crores is equal to 1 10 crore. That means it increases 10 times, isn't it? It goes on increasing 10 times in each level. So that is the relation between the different places. Now coming to the numerals, the smallest and the greatest numeral. So the smaller ones you know already, but the higher, that is we have studied now up to 9 digits. So we will see the smallest 1 digit numeral is 1. The greatest 1 digit numeral is 9. Smallest 2 digit numeral is 10 and the greatest is 99. Smallest 3 digit is 100, greatest is 999. Smallest 4 digit is 1000, greatest is 9999. Smallest 5 digit is 10,000, the greatest is 99,999. Smallest 6 digit is 1 lakh, the greatest is 9,99,999. The smallest 7 digit is 10 lakh, greatest is 99,99,999. The smallest 8 digit is 1 crore, the greatest is 9 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999. The smallest 9 digit is 10 crores and the greatest 9 digit is 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. So you know 1, 10, 100, 1000, but here the 9. And how many digits are there? Accordingly you have to write. Understood? This is the introduction to worksheet 1. Now coming to the worksheet 1. Write the number names of the following numerals using the commas between the period. Okay? Write the number names. Read them aloud. Okay. So first put the comma. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma. So here the rule is 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, comma, 1, 2. Means ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, then lakh, 10 lakh. Isn't it? So this together, it is 49. 39. Now which period is it? That is the lakhs. Now 35. Together you have to tell 35. Which period? Thousands and 87. Are you understanding? So while writing the number names, you have to tell that number together and then the period. Now put the comma 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. Now this is 93. 93. Which period is it? Ones, thousands, lakhs. Now thousands, nothing is there. Directly ones. Together you have to tell. So it will be 432. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number C. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. Now 70. Which period? Ones, thousands, lakhs. 80. Which period? 1000. Then ones take together. It is 201. Now question number D. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. So this is 10 lakhs, isn't it? Now 11. Which period? 1000. Then 1. Now coming to the question number E. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. So 90. Which period? Lakhs. This is 5. Which period? 1000. 430. Hope everyone is understanding. Okay, now coming to the question number F. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. Now this is 63. Together you have to tell 63. Which period? Lakhs. Next it is 58. Which period? 1000. And last it is only 4. Now coming to the question number G. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. 71. Lakhs, isn't it? Then 83. Thousand. Then 10. Now question number H. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma. So 99. Which period? Lakhs. Then 99,000. Then it is 999. Okay. Now coming to question number I. 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, comma 90. What is it? Lakhs. Again 90. What is it? 1000. And the last, it is 9. Now question number J. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 49. What is it? Lakhs. This is only 4. What is it? 1000. And last is 78. Clear? Now coming to question number K. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, This is 35 lakhs, isn't it? Next it is 20. 20,000. 179. Now coming to L. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 22 lakhs. In thousand nothing is there, directly ones, that is 50. Is it clear? So we have completed question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. What they have told? It is complete the table by writing the period, place and the place value of the circled digit. Now numeral is given, period, place, place value we have to write. Okay, this is a ones, thousands, lakhs. So you will be writing first the period, it is lakhs. Now place, this is 1 lakh, this is 10 lakh. So you will be writing 10 lakhs. Now the place value, 10 lakh into 7, that is 70 lakh. Okay. Now question number B. It is a 4 is a encircled. So it is ones and thousands, isn't it? So thousands period. This is 10,000s place. So 4 into 10,000, 40,000. Now question number C. It is a ones. Period is ones and place is also ones. And the place value is 1 into 9. 9. Now coming to question number D, 4. So this is a period is ones. Now place ones, tens, hundreds. 4 into 100, 400. Okay. Now question number E, 8. Ones, thousands. Now place is 1000, 10,000, isn't it? And the place value 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Now question number F, ones, thousands, lakhs. And again the place is also will be lakhs and 4 into lakhs, 4 lakhs. Now question number G. ones, thousands. This one will be 1000. So it is thousands. And it will be 8,000. Now question number H. Ones, thousands, lakhs. But the place is lakhs, 10 lakhs. And 1 into 10 lakh is 10 lakh. Is it clear? So we have completed question number 2. Now coming to the question number 3, it is write the numerals. See, number names are given, you have to write the numerals. 81 lakh. So the way you have written the number name, the same way reverse you have to do. Okay, 81 lakh. So 81 comma 36,000, 36 comma 296. 81 lakh 36,296. Now question number B, 34 lakh, 34 comma 17,000, 17 comma 102, 102. 34 lakh 17,102. Now question number C, 7 lakh, 7 comma 8,000. So 8,000 how will you write? 08. 8,000 will be written as 08. 905. 905. Okay. 40 lakh comma 40 comma 89,000. 89 comma 905. 905. So जहां पीरियड बोला है उधर कॉमा डालने का. 93 लाख. 93 lakh 6,000. 6,000 is written as 06 comma 6. 006. So 6,000 is written as 10,000 में नहीं है, so 0. 6 then 6. 100 tens नहीं है तो 006. Is it clear? Now coming to the question number F. 38,000. 38,000. 38 comma 13. How do you write 13? 100 में नहीं है तो 013. Next 63 lakh. 63 lakh 63 comma 60,000 60 comma 6. It is 60,000 006. Now coming to 63 lakh 60,006. So जहां जो प्लेस में कुछ बोले नहीं है उधर 0 डालो. 20 lakh to 20 lakh 20 comma 1000 कुछ बोले नहीं है तो put 00. Now 2, how do you write? Hundreds nothing is there, tens nothing is there, then 2. Now coming to the Question number I, 13 lakh. 13 lakh. 13 comma 6,000. How do you write 6,000? 0, 6, 5. How do you write? 0, 0, 5. Why? Hundreds, tens, nothing is there. Now coming to the question number J, it is 48 lakh 90,000 90 comma 300 300 48 lakh 90,000 300. Okay, hope everyone understood this worksheet 1. So remember how to write the numbers together, then the period. If there, wherever the period is there, put the comma, then continue. And wherever the place nothing is there, then you have to put 0. Okay? Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you. If you like this video, tap the like button, share this among your fellow students and subscribe to my channel Vidyarthi. Bye.